What's going on, everybody? Tech Zone Productions here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a cheap audio setup that you can use for your films. So without further talking, let's get into the video. In order to get high quality audio during field recordings, you will need a separate audio interface from your camera. Typical audio interfaces can be very expensive and take up a lot of space. This is why, instead of using regular audio interfaces, we will be using an audio adapter. The audio adapter that we will be using is from Technica and has a flat frequency response with only plus or minus 1 decibel of tolerance. This adapter takes a 3.5mm balanced mic input, which we can get by soldering a 3.5mm jack to the end of an XLR input cable. I wouldn't use a cable greater than 25 feet, as the cable's resistance can significantly reduce the signal-to-noise ratio. The mic I will be using for this setup is the affordable Neewer shotgun mic. I modified this mic by removing the old small capsule and replace it with a back electric 16mm capsule that I got from eBay. This will produce a brighter sound than the small capsule and should increase the sensitivity as well. You should also get a wind filter to block the wind noise while using this microphone, as the regular foam filter that came included with the microphone only blocks minimal wind noise. A AA battery was added because the audio adapter does not include 48 volts of phantom power. The last thing that you will need for the audio setup is a mic stand, or you can make a DIY boom pole from a broken tripod. You can also get a shock mount for the mic to prevent handling noise while holding the mic on the boom pole. If you are using a DIY boom pole, it is a good idea to zip tie the XLR cable on the pole in order to reduce cable noise. Some newer cameras support OTG connectivity. If that's the case, you can just connect an OTG cable to the audio adapter and directly to your camera. This way you won't have to sync the audio in post, as it will already be in real time. Because most camera doesn't support this feature, unfortunately, your best bet is to connect the OTG cable to either an iPhone or an Android phone that supports OTG connectivity. If you are using Android, I recommend the app H13 MP3 Recorder, as you can upload your recordings directly to Google Drive or Dropbox. Once you have everything set up, you can start recording high quality audio for your films. If you are using a Neewer shotgun mic, you will have to increase the gain by 20 decibels in order to get a good volume for video production. This adapter will also work on any lavalier microphones or dynamic microphones that uses a 3.5mm input. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.